Is this a seasonal niche? Let's go to trends.google.com and take a look. Let's run a search for watches. There is some seasonality here, but there is also demand all year round. There is a significant spike in interest just before Thanksgiving, and the demand is high well into the Christmas shopping season. This is just what you would expect. Let's now do a search for best watches. The trend is identical, more or less, to that for watches. The only difference is the trend seems to be on a slightly upward trajectory, which is a very good sign, as this means the demand is increasing. If we scroll down and take a look at the interest by region section, we can see the United States is 6th in the list, which does mean there is a pretty significant amount of demand outside the US as well. But this does not mean the demand for watches in the US is weak. In fact, the demand for watches in the US is pretty strong. Let's now see whether there are Amazon affiliate sites in the top 10 for the kind of buyer keywords we focus on. Are there affiliate sites related to watches in the top 10? We will now see whether there are affiliate sites in the top 10 for the kind of keywords we focus on. Now, these sites do not have to be Amazon affiliate sites. The presence of any affiliate site in the top 10 would be good. But the best case is if there are Amazon affiliate sites in the top 10. Let's do a search for best watches on google.com. Now, this site here, bestproducts.com, does seem to be an affiliate site. You can tell that from the domain name. Let's visit the site and see if we can verify this either from their privacy policy or from the footer. Let's scroll down to see what they say in the footer. Okay, this is an affiliate site. It's in the top 10 for best watches, so this is a good sign. Let's now check the top 10 for best men's watches. Once again, we have bestproducts.com in the top 10. Let's see if there are any more affiliate sites here. This one looks like it might be an affiliate site. Let's check some of the posts to see if we can find affiliate links. Let me scroll down. They have these buy buttons here. If we scroll the mouse cursor on these buttons, we can see these are Amazon affiliate links. So, this is an Amazon affiliate site. So, we have managed to find 2 affiliate sites so far. There might be more, but we can stop here. There are Amazon affiliate sites ranking in the top 10 for the kind of buyer keywords we focus on.